We almost didn't get back. The water was rising, the waves were getting bigger, and we were trapped. Then we saw a helicopter, and everything changed. Let me tell you what happened, Beth. Hi guys, today is Saturday. My friend came to visit me in Ireland, and we planned something special. We want to see a hidden waterfall. This waterfall is very unusual. You can only see it when the tide is low. When the water comes back, it disappears. So, we need to be fast. The road was beautiful, but also very narrow. What was that?
I think the tire. We have a problem.
We stopped the car. The tire was flat, and we are far from everything. No signal, no people, but we tried to fix it.
Let's try one more time.
And we did it.
Great job.
Let's go. We lost time, and we didn't know that this would be very important later. The drive was long, but every minute was worth it.
These stunning views, the green hills, the sheep.
Look, the sheep! It feels like a dream. The scenery is breathtaking. We thought the adventure was just beginning. We had no idea what was coming.
We finally arrived.
And wow, it was beautiful.
Water falling from the cave.
It's incredible. The green rocks, cold mist, no people, only nature. It felt magical.
We stayed too long.
And then the water started coming back.
Look, trickles on the floor.
At first, slowly.
Then faster. The wind got strong.
Rain started, big waves.
Cold water, very cold. We need to go.
Now!
We started walking back, but the water kept rising. Soon, it was up to our knees.
Then higher. It was freezing. I couldn't feel my feet. The wind was so strong. I was scared.
We kept moving.
Step by step.
Through cold water, through waves.
Keep going.
I'm trying.
Then we heard something.
A helicopter.
Look!
Help! What? The helicopter saw us. I couldn't believe it.
It came closer, very loud, very close.
Then they dropped a rope ladder.
I was shaking. You go first. We got her.
We got her.
I was soaked, cold, and we got her. The pilot smiled.
And we got in. I was soaked, cold, but safe. The pilot smiled.
You're okay now.
I almost cried.
Back to the car.
Thank you. Thank you for saving us.
We will.
We drove to the nearest town, found a small hotel. Very simple, very cozy.
It really is cozy.
Good
Well-
evening. How can I help you?
Hi, we'd like a room for two, please.
Of course, for one night.
Yes, for one night.
Would you like a double room?
Yes,
Please. That will be 95 euros with breakfast. That sounds good.
May I have your names, please?
I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark.
Your room is ready. Here is your key. Second floor, room 12. Thank you so much.
And is there hot tea downstairs?
Yes, by the fireplace. Perfect, we really need that. We made it.
Yes. And now we need hot coffee.
And a warm fire.
That night, I learned something.
What did you learn?
Nature is beautiful, but powerful. Always check the weather. Always check the tide. And never ignore warning signs. We were lucky.
Very lucky.
Would you go to a hidden waterfall? Or stay safe at home?
Both sound good to me.
Tell me in the comments. And follow for more English stories.